Wait, what'd I miss?
What kind of car?
50 Willys Jeepster. And I don't know, they were chrome bumpers, but I think they were probably re-chromed, and it was thin, so I could see the scratch marks.
Slowly
Chrome. Is there a?
Are you guys?
There it is.
Oh, wow.
Are you guys pulling?
Yeah, that's a.
I didn't take pictures.
You guys
because I
yanking
wasn't
hose?
planning on
Yeah, we were
asking.
yanked.
It's easier than this one.
Is there anything like this that connects it
There's
at the bottom?
two on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Are they in the center?
I was going.
They're on the sides.
Chore boy.
Kind of.
Are they the same size as the 13
I
millimeter kind
think
of
they
thing?
might be 10s. Double check. Because I cannot remember.
Oh, right here.
Take an oven cleaner.
all right.
and
Oh, look.
stick it. I mean,
I got the 10 here.
it's not a
You guys got it? You're on it.
Might be buffable. I mean, we've both buffed chrome before and gotten results.
10 millimeter. Those go missing a lot.
Oh yeah, that's. I'm gonna buy us a box of them.
Box of 10s
Yeah.
and a box of 9/16 is.
It's hard to scratch like regular.
Well, there's.
It was kind of.
I undid the clamp. Oh, you got it.
Oh, it's not at the bottom.
No, we're
That's
undoing
the
it,
same
right?
size, girl. That's a.
It's a 13.
It looks like the
Same as this one, right?
All right, then it's a 13.
I'm gonna imagine.
It was 2.5 years ago when I put that in. So,
You guys are working on this car that long.
wait, when I took the engine out of this thing, like pre-COVID. We took this car apart pre-COVID.
Where's that?
That car showed up during COVID. So did that one.
Wow.
And that one too.
Just on a buying spree during.
I mean, okay. Actually, I'll just go
She's
down.
up busy.
I'm gonna go to the other side because that's where I can see.
Here.
There's a Scotty down there.
Chris,
Yeah.
go to the top.
He doesn't
Give him the
answer
bottom.
that.
Oh, that's.
I
probably
need
a
an
good idea.
extension.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know.
Go, go,
I
gadget.
mean, I don't pay too much attention to body shop places because
They all suck.
Let's see where it's at.
and yeah.
We're gonna do the one on the driver's side.
We're on the other side.
Maybe
Okay,
from where
we're
I'm
on the other
standing.
side.
You saw the
Gotcha.
Mustang.
The other side. Oh, yeah, the green.
Go for it.
Ooh, can I see?
Just bought
Ooh.
this Hyundai.
That's one of my favorite Ford colors, by the way.
And
Grabber
then
green.
changed the
Yeah.
You saw the Mustang, right?
All right, you're off. Oh, I just dropped
There's
the
one.
This is actually my old. Blue.
That's not the first time Nut's been on his face,
Yeah.
So we just had transition.
right? Anything? Anybody?
Oh, girl, I got it.
Years ago, and it was basically bought.
Hold on here.
So they basically.
Let me know
All
when you're
right,
ready.
oh no, I'm almost there.
Take your time. I'm in no rush. I'm only on the floor.
So did they actually have that color?
I'm getting dirty. I feel trashy.
This is
Fur.
Put that light on the other side of here. Then where that.
the original color of this car that we found out is you can look down where you roll down those rear windows. Was that
Wait, put it.
Oh yeah,
This is
there.
actually
All right, you're on. Go.
one color. Grabber green. Grabber blue is what they brought back, and then they brought some ugly colored green. But grabber green is actually a color.
Okay, is there a reason why the stabilizer bar is not bolted all the way on?
Yeah, we're not done with it yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, to make you ask.
Well, that would explain why the camber's off a little.
No, that's because I haven't shimmed anything in here yet.
Oh.
Why haven't you shimmed anything in there yet?
Because we're not to that point yet.
Why are we not to that point yet?
Because we're busy with the
It
GTO.
wasn't available on.
Yeah, fuel lines look a little.
Okay, you should be able to just.
Oh yeah, it's off. Hang on. All right, I
You know,
got.
when you come up, be
I got-
very, very careful.
Okay, we just want to go straight up, right?
That fan is plastic,
Probably very expensive and hard to find.
very hard to find.
All right, we'll just
Come
go
on
straight
up.
up.
Nice and easy, old girl.
Hold on,
Move
hold
that,
on, hold
hose.
on.
Scotty says, hold on.
You don't want to.
I'm fingering a nut.
Oh,
Not the first time.
Hardly in.
I know,
I
right?
think-
I'm doing that
I
right
think
now.
he's grabbing them from the bottom
I wish.
because it was just the nut that was on top.
Okay, go ahead.
So
Slow
if
and
you brought it
easy.
up the driveway,
Hang on, it's
You are
catching on this
completely
thing here.
disconnected.
Oh,
There we go. Nice and gentle,
Nice and
gentle,
easy, nice
gentle,
and
gentle.
easy.
Watch that corner. There we go.
then hits
Okay, stop.
See how pretty that is? See how nice that is?
Painted
two
beautiful.
cars in one act.
Okay,
Chris,
help Scotty up.
Fine, but
Lean it up against somewhere over there that's not fragile.
Fragile.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that cute little fan.
Jazz Queen. What's this thing?
That's some wiring we have to finish. Notice it's marked.
home after.
Oh, voltage
Voltage
regulator.
regulator. You can read my writing.
What card?
That's like scribble.
Oh,
All right.
well,
So
2
now,
months ago we
pull the
smacked
grill out,
out
Mr.
the
Scotty.
brand new, Hyundai and
What
my
size bolt do you need on that?
motorcycle, 'cause he's
feels like
short
quarter.
ride,
Let me see.
and he
What
got
does that
one of
mean?
those
That one?
heavy,
6 to 7.
I'm gonna guess it's a 6 or a 7.
Oh, one of those.
You're gonna need a depot, girl, because there's there's big studs.
Oh, girl.
Thank you.
This is the one that my black friend said.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's like this. Now picture me and him actually work together.
All day.
So, you work
He
at-
works. Yeah, he
Most of
works
you
with me
now?
now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
took
Scotty's
me,
with me every day now.
Yeah, took me 1 day to get a job after being here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Second day I picked up
All painted.
a second job.
You know, just like.
So I work here on Fridays. I work with him Monday through Thursday, and then wherever else on weekends, whoever needs work done. So I'm wherever I need to be.
Yeah, he's busy.
That's right.
He's been in Corvette hell.
C8. No, sorry, C3.
3 and a C1.
Yes, and a C1. Did the C1 today.
And this is
Did you still want me to touch base with you tomorrow about the Chevy, or?
Yeah,
see
yeah,
what
we'll
your schedule is?
discuss. Yeah, we'll probably.
What is it?
Oh,
I have a 54 Chevy, and I just need to
this
do a
says,
brake
like,
adjustment, wind
little stuff.
thing, oil change,
Okay.
Yeah.
one day.
Probably do it.
God, that
I want to
makes
say
Kurt
probably.
look
Maybe we'll do it next week. We'll just pop him in
And
and
then
out.
like
Yeah,
you
yeah.
took off
Yeah.
all of the.
But yeah, just text me tomorrow.
Well, last time
Yeah,
I popped
I
in and out, I got 3 kids.
Well, that ain't happening around here.
I didn't realize butt babies could live, because trust me, if they could, motherfucker, I would have kids up
God.
to...
This is. I'd say this is a PG channel, but we know this isn't true.
Not since I started working with
It's
you.
never been a PG channel.
White and red.
It went from being a PG and maybe a PG-13.
Oh no, I say all kinds of shit.
So
somebody
it
should
went
say.
to X
Look at this.
literally overnight.
Triple X overnight.
No,
No,
nobody's
we haven't
naked.
fucked on the hood yet.
Whoa!
And this here, where the
Ew!
top was, that was red.
Or do you need 6?
This is the built up with soft touch.
How's it feel?
Which do you prefer?
Actually, I'm going to prefer an 8.
I want a couple
Who doesn't?
Well,
Oh,
I don't normally find anything under a 9.
They do it it's soft touch.
here I am with my 5.
You're a choosy client.
No, it just happens to be what it is.
In the 70s, it was all faded, it looked like shit.
Oh, God.
Especially
You're gonna
considering
handle this?
the
What?
one I was talking to last night.
You said that was a 9.5.
What?
Andre spun around.
Ruh-roh.
Oh my God.
Ruh-roh, Reggie.
Are you
All
done
right.
yet?
So we're pulling out the grill.
Look at that fan, it's so cute.
And
I know, right?
Oh my God.
I think my dick's fucking bigger than one of the blades.
Yeah, it's a Barbie Dream fan.
You wish. Oh dear.
Bitch, I don't need to wish.
Dear.
I'd rather have one of the blades.
So, if Andre doesn't make it to class next week, you'll know why.
Sure, it's right there.
Oh dear.
It's at the landing. It's not all the way up the stairs.